Hey Donovan, it's good to hear from you. I'm not sure if you were able to view the link I just sent you, so I'm gonna go ahead and refilm this and send you a YouTube link, okay? So if you go to eClass, you can go to content to find your NTIs. There are a couple places you can go, but I want to talk to you about some things that are specific to these NTIs. So you can go to quizzes or you can go to content where it says NTIs. I like going through content and NTIs because it pops up all of your NTIs. Well, not yours, but any possible NTI. All right, so if you look, your first NTI is ordering and comparing classwork. However, this is restricted, meaning all conditions must be met, which means that you need to complete the March 18-19 video before this pops up. You won't be able to see this assignment until you complete the restriction. So it's from the March 18-19 lesson. So let's go ahead and find that down here. And this is probably best if you're just looking at this daily. So I'm going to go to March 18-19. So that falls on that first week of digital learning. If I go to March 18-19, I'm going to go ahead and complete the whole lesson because there's restrictions on everything. So first you need to watch the March 18-19 video 1, which will open the absolute value opposites quick check. Then when you're complete with that, you're going to do the March 18-19 video 2, which opens up the ordering and comparing classwork grade, which is here. Okay, so once you're done with that, it will take you to March 20th, which is actually your next NTI. Your next NTI is your Unit 7 week review. Again, this also has restrictions, meaning you need to complete the March 20th video in order to see this classwork grade. So once you find and you watch this video, you'll be able to complete that classwork grade. Also, your next NTI is actually a Google Classroom activity. So if you go to, I believe, March 20th, I think. Let me check. Actually, I think it's March 23rd through 27th that week. So yes, if you look here, on March 25th and 26th, it actually has you sign up for Google Classrooms. I'm not sure if you've done that yet or not. I need to go back and check. I can't remember. So once you've signed up, here's our class code. You're just going to open a new tab and you're going to go to Google. You're going to click the waffle, go to Google Classroom, and there's going to be a plus sign in the top right corner. You're going to join a class and it'll have you enter in your class code. Again, your class code is right here from March 25th, 26th. Once you're done with that, I need you to complete the 2 classwork grades in there. You'll see them at the tab that says classwork. So once you've signed in, you'll see classwork and you'll see these 2 assignments here. Okay, they're pretty simple, so once you've submitted everything, just let me know. Same with this, please complete the Unit 7 Week 2 review classwork. This is actually an NTI as well. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you, and I'll respond via email. Again, Classroom Dojo is better, but if you want to respond or ask questions on the activity feed, that's probably best as well, okay? Alrighty, I'll talk to you soon.